Good morning. This is a recording for Friday, July 26th. We continue reading from the book of Awakening by Mark Nepo. Today's essay is titled When the Path is Blocked. When the path is blocked, back up and see more of the way. We are each a mountain for the other to climb, and often our path to love is interrupted by a mishap or problem or something unexpected that needs our attention. We tend to call these unexpected things in life obstacles. Often, the thing in the way comes from another person. A stubbornness falls like a tree blocking where we want to go, or a sadness comes like a flash flood to muddy the road between us. Or just as we go to rest in the clearing we have prepared, we're bitten by something hiding in the undergrowth. Thus, in daily ways, we have this constant choice to see each other as the stubborn, muddy, biting thing that blocks our way, or to back up and take in the whole person, as we would a mountain in its entirety, dizzy when looking up into its majesty. When we are blocked in our closeness with another, we have this constant opportunity to raise our eyes and behold each other completely, then to kneel and lift the fallen tree, or cross the flooded path, or pluck and toss the biting thing. We have the chance to keep climbing, so we might cup the water that runs from each other, so we might quench our thirst as from a mountain stream, knowing that love, like water, comes softly through the hardest places. And now let's do a little reflection around this. As always, take a comfortable position and take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, into your heart, your mind. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Keeping your breath nice and soft, completely natural, remind yourself that there is nothing you need to fix about your breathing right now. Just like there is nothing you need to fix about this moment or yourself. It's all enough, just as it is right now. See if this reminder helps you to touch a sense of spaciousness in your breathing, in your whole being. A space in which all the experiences of the present moment, physical sensations, thoughts, emotions, can flow through you effortlessly, as energy that they are, without struggle. Now take a moment and bring to mind a loved one, a friend, a partner, or a family member, and focus on the one stubborn thing coming from them right now. What is this thing that's in your way? And without denying this difficulty, inhale deeply and widen your heart's view. Back up if you can and see the whole person, their stubbornness and all. Continue breathing fully and feel both the difficulty that is theirs and the entirety of their spirit, which causes you to love them. As you do this, notice if anything changes in your body, in your heart, in your breath. Perhaps there is a softness or a new perspective, whatever it is. Or perhaps there is no change. And now place your hands on your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to this person. May they be filled with loving kindness. May they be well in body and mind. May they feel cared for, protected, at ease. May they know deep, natural peace. And now send the energy of loving kindness to yourself with gratitude for being here, for doing this practice, for your dedication and discipline. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I touch deep, natural peace. And as you gently let go of your practice, as always, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now after this reflection. Physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this reflection. When things get difficult with your loved ones, can you back up a little and see the whole person, the entirety of their spirit, which makes you love them? And notice what happens as you do this. As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.